Namaste everyone, welcome to Himalayan Yoga Association online classes. You guys can turn your video and mic on.
नमस्कार सर.
कैसे हो आप? How are you?
Good, sir. How are you?
I'm good.
Sir, I rejoined again. Actually, last month I was not able to attend the class.
Sorry, can you repeat?
So last month I was not able to attend the class, so I rejoined
I
again.
cannot listen to you. Your voice is breaking like something. Okay guys, so let's start today's class. We will learn something about Ashtanga. So how many of you have done Ashtanga before? So you can turn your mics and videos on, so I may know that how much you have done before.
Hi, first of all, I would like to know, this is for YTT 200 or YTT 300 hours?
It's same for both, for 300 also, for 200 also.
But the thing is that I've got the schedule for YTT 300, and it was supposed to be an hour break after Ayurveda lesson. And then I logged in back and it was anatomy lesson. So an anatomy lesson wasn't on the schedule. So I just want to make sure that I'm doing the right thing.
Yeah, this is Asana class, and this class will be preferred for both 300 and 200 as well. If you want more information, you can just contact Soumya ji.
Okay, cool. I'll sort it out. Thank you.
Take this class also, Asana's class. So today we will learn about Ashtanga, that how and who made this Ashtanga. So I guess everybody has done before Hatha.
I am YTT 200 yoga teacher.
Okay, now Ashtanga.
Yes.
So
I've just yoga as a student in general, no actual formal training.
Sorry. Can you repeat?
Is that better?
Can you repeat what you say?
I've just done yoga as a student, no actual formal training in any particular area.
So let's talk something about Ashtanga, that from where the Ashtanga has come. So the Ashtanga is created by K. Pattabi joints. The Ashtanga is created by K. Pattabi joints. You heard? There are 6 series in Ashtanga: primary series, intermediate series, advanced A, advanced B, advanced C, and advanced. So there are total 6 series. So we will start primary series. We will do here in this course primary series of Ashtanga. Am I audible to everyone? Okay. So basically in Ashtanga, you require, like, you have to do Hatha before. If you have not done Hatha before, it might be difficult for you to do Ashtanga, because Ashtanga requires a lot of strength and flexibility together. So Ashtanga is basically 99% practical, only 1% theory. There is nothing much of theory in this. We have to follow a particular series, which is given. I guess you have got the manual You can see the poses there. You will follow that particular series for 1 month, and you will just try to advance that series, or you can just do properly the full series, then we will move to intermediate. So, but in this 1 month, we will practice only primary series here. The first series of Ashtanga. If you want to ask any question, you can ask. Basically, there in this series, there are around 9 drishtis, which I will tell you while doing the poses. While doing the practical practice, I will tell you what are the 9 drishtis in Ashtanga. Okay, so if you have any class, your practice. Okay, just sit in a comfortable position, close your eyes, take a deep inhale and deep exhale. Okay, deep breath in and deep breath out. Now prepare yourself for today's class. If you know the Ashtanga opening month, you can just repeat with me. If you don't know, just close your eyes and feel the month. Now we will start by chanting 1 time Om, then we will chant the Ashtanga opening month. Deep breath in. Om. Vande Gurunam Charnarvinde Sandarbsita Swatma Sukha Bhavote Nishreya Shrejangilikayamane Sansar Halaha Halmoha Shante Avahu Purushakaram Shankh-Chakra-Dharanam Sahasra Sirisham Shvetam Pranamamim Patanjalim. Bring both palms together, so you go down your head towards God and ask God to give us strength for today's class. While blinking, just open your eyes. So you can just search on internet about the opening mantra and closing mantra of Ashtanga. So you can also just repeat me. Okay? Okay, now just stand up on your mat. Come in front of your mat, take 1 feet distance. So whoever have done Ashtanga sun salutation before, sun salutation, Ashtanga, anyone has done before? So actually, so I have to show you. I will show you the sequence, how you have to do it. Ashtanga salutation. First, look how you have to do the sun salutation. Then I will instruct and you will follow. Take 1 feet distance from the mat. Then from the mat. You can raise the or you have to raise the up, join your thumbs together, look at your thumbs, and wish to you do not do back, you want to back, just stretch your arms. Bend forward down for Uttanasana. To place both palms beside of your both feet. Inhale, look front, lengthen your spine. Just if you cannot do like Uttanasana, you can just slightly bend your knees. Just try to keep your spine straight and just touch your forehead. Then slightly to your next step. Three, inhale, look up, lengthen your spine. If you cannot lengthen your spine by keeping your legs straight, you can just take support of the knees, slightly bend your knees, and then try to lift your chest up and try to pull your spine, pull that hump down. So you have a straight back. Okay. Chaturanga, you have to place the palm and jump back. If you cannot jump back like this, you have to jump. If someone can jump, just try to jump. Chaturanga. Okay, if you cannot jump like this by lifting and jumping back, you can take your feet one by one back, legs one by one back, and come into Chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing dog, press your ankle, and exhaling, downward facing dog. In downward facing dog, you have to look at your navel point. If you look Nabhi Chakra Drishti, look at the navel point, try to touch your heel on the mat and hold there for 5 counts. Rotate your shoulders outward. Okay. This is inward rotation and this is outward rotation. So you have to rotate your shoulders out. Look, hold there for 5 counts. After that, bend your knees. Again, you can jump front into halfway look up, Urdhva Uttanasana. But if you cannot jump, you can just take simply your legs to move. Exhale, Uttanasana. Inhale, come up to Urdhva Uttanasana. Exhale, Samasthiti. So if you have any doubt, you can ask. I will show you the pose again. If not, then we can continue our practice. Is there no question? Just come in front of a mat, take 1 feet distance from the mat for Ashtanga Sun Salutation A. You come, inhale, raise your both arms up over your head for Urdhva Vrikshasan. Join your both palms together, don't do back bend, just keep your spine lifting up. Stretch your hands front and look at your thumbs. Angushti Madhya Drishti. This is the drishti in which you look at your thumbs. Angushti. Thumb is matlab angutha in Hindi. Do exhale, go fully forward down, Uttanasana. Move forward from your hip joint. Never move forward with your spine. If you will bend your spine or make curve on your spine, that is a problem on your back. So always move forward from your hip joint. Keep your spine straight. Training, inhale, look up, lengthen your spine into Urdhva Uttanasana. When I will say lengthen your spine, at that time you have to look front and keep your spine straight in 90-degree angle. I have told you, if you cannot keep your spine straight, you can just bend your knees and keep your spine straight. Chatwari, exhale, jump back, Chaturanga Dandasana, jump back into Chaturanga. If you can lift, you can lift. If you cannot lift, you can lift one by one and come into Chaturanga. If you cannot lift into Chaturanga, your chest, you can take support of your knees. Inhale, upward facing dog, Urdhva Mukha Svanasana. Exhale, downward facing dog, Adho Mukha Svanasana. Now hold there, try to touch your heel on the floor. Keep pushing your tailbone high up in the air towards the ceiling and look at your navel point. Nabhi Chakra Drishti. Nabhi Chakra Drishti means you have to look at your navel point. Okay, so some of you are facing the audio problem. I will try to just speak out loud so you can hear. Okay, stay in downward facing dog, Adho Mukha Svanasana. Look at your navel point, hold there. Now bend your both knees, jump front into halfway look up, Urdhva Uttanasana. If you cannot jump, you can take your steps front one by one. Again, be careful. Look front, exhale, go fully forward down for Uttanasana. Try to touch your belly on your thighs, chest on your knees, and your chin on your chin on your chin. Inhale all the way, come up for Urdhva Hastasana or Urdhva Virchasana. Exhale, Samasthiti. Okay, now we'll do second set. Take an inhale again, lift your both arms up. So exhale, go fully forward down for Uttanasana. Slowly inhale, look up, lengthen your spine. Chatwari, exhale, jump back, Chaturanga Dandasana. Pancha, inhale, Urdhva. Exhale, Adho Mukha. Sorry for the connection. Now stay there into downward facing dog for 5 counts. 1, keep taking Ujjayi breath. In Ujjayi breath, you have to just make sound of your throat. 2, 3, very deep inhale and exhale. 4 and 5. Sapta, bend your both knees, jump front, take a halfway look up. Ashto, exhale, go fully forward down. Nava, inhale, all the way come up. Exhale, Samasthiti. Now we'll do third set. Ekam, inhale, again raise your both arms up. To exhale, go fully forward down. Okay, so look here. Relax. So when you just go fully forward down, then you are going forward deep. You have to just move forward, move forward. This is your hip joint. You have to go forward from a hip joint. If you will not go forward from hip joint, if you will use your spine, then you will feel like you will not go deep, and your legs will touch your head on your knees, and you will make a hump on your back, and this is not good. So just try to go forward from a hip joint. It's okay if you cannot go forward that much. You can just bend your knees and just try to stretch your spine. So likewise, in this way, your spine will be not hard, or your spine will not make curl on your back. Okay? Okay, again. Exhale, go fully forward down in Uttanasana. Yeah, I showed काजल थी, मैंने भी मॉडिफिकेशन दिखाया आपको. आप बैंड कर सकते हो नीज को. कैन बैंड योर नीज. Okay. Inhale, look front, lengthen your spine. For Urdhva Uttanasana, same. In Urdhva Uttanasana, you can take support of your thighs. You can take support of your knees. If you cannot keep your spine straight, you can just bend your knees. Put your belly on your thighs. Now spine straight. Just try this. And if you can keep your spine straight without bending your knees, it is much better. But I have shown you the modification. Exhale, press your palm and jump back into Chaturanga. So, okay, some of you guys are doing Chaturanga in a wrong. Okay, I have to show you. Okay, look here. Today we will just correct the alignment. So after that, you will not have to do it in a wrong way. So in Chaturanga, you guys like elbows are back. Okay, your elbows are back from your wrist. This is not correct. In Chaturanga, your elbow should be under your palm, and you have to just float up from your chest. Okay, your elbows will not go back. Your elbows will be under your upper of your palm. like this. You cannot do this. You can just take support of your knees. Now just try to put your chest down. But do it correct so you get the maximum benefit of the posture. If you do it wrong, you will not get the maximum benefit of the posture. Just correct your alignment of the posture. Very nice. Inhale, upward facing dog. And exhale, downward facing dog. Hold there for 5 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Sapta, bend your both knees and jump front. Again, look front, lengthen your spine. You have to not make a curve on your spine. Try to reduce the curve from your spine, lower back. Exhale, go fully forward down. For Uttanasana. Inhale, all the way come up for Urdhva Vrikshasana. Exhale, Samasthiti. Now we'll go for the 4th round. Ekam, inhale, again raise your both arms up over your head. Exhale, go fully forward down. Ready, inhale, look front. Chaturanga, exhale, jump back, Chaturanga. Pancha, inhale, upward facing dog. Start, exhale, downward facing dog. Stay there for 5 counts. In the position of downward facing dog, you have to keep your legs open, keep distance apart. Do not keep your both feet together, both legs together. You have to make distance from your both legs, your hip distance apart. Very nice. Look at your navel point. 3, 2, and 5. Sapta, bend your both knees, jump front. Ashto, exhale, go forward down. Now I inhale, all the way come up. Exhale, Samasthiti. 5th and last round. You come, inhale, again raise your both arms up over your head. So exhale, go forward towards the left. Ready, inhale, look front. Chatwari, exhale, jump back for Chaturanga. Pancha, inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Hold there for 5 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Sapta, bend your both knees, jump front. Ashto, exhale, forward. Now I inhale, all the way come up for Urdhva Vrikshasana. Exhale, Samasthiti. Now we will do sun salutation B. I will show you how to do sun salutation B. Okay. Come to the top of your neck, take it to this side. Now we will go for B. And your both knees, touch your both fingertips on the floor. And raise your both arms up. This is also known as chair pose. So what you have to keep in mind, do not cross your toes with the knees. This is the wrong position if you will do it. If you will do this, you will hurt your knee. So you have to just keep your hips back and your knees back from your toes. If you think that you have a chair behind you and you have to sit back, not front like this. We never sit in a chair like this. We always sit in a chair like this. So we have to do a chair pose, Utkatasana. So exhale, inhale, Chatwari, exhale, jump back, Chaturanga, Pancha, inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, down facing dog. In this, we will add warrior pose. Inhale, raise your right hand up. Bring your right leg front between both palms for warrior leg. So you have to keep in mind, you have to keep your front leg 90-degree angle this way, try to make 90-degree angle. It's okay if you have a much entire hip, and keep your hips straight. Back feet 5 degrees. Okay. If you not keep your back feet front face left side. You have to turn your left feet slightly 5 degrees inward. Rotate your left side inside, not outside. This is wrong. This is right. If you rotate your left side inside. Keep your knees straight. If you have trouble keeping the foot in and your back in one line, you can just place your leg slightly out. Left side, you can shift your leg left leg, left side. And then just hold there for 5 counts. After that, press your palms and then come back and just come back. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. And then same we will do with our left leg. Okay, so again stand up on your mat. Okay, now we will do sun salutation B of Ashtanga. Come, inhale, bend your both knees, raise your both arms up for the chair pose, Utkatasana. To exhale, go fully forward down. Ready, inhale, look front, lengthen the spine. Chatwari, exhale, jump back, Chaturanga. Pancha, inhale, Urdhmukha. Exhale, Adhomukha. Sapta, bring your right leg front for warrior A. Make warrior A. Right leg, then right leg. Okay, so Krupaji, slightly turn your hip, where your hips more. So yeah, nice. Very good, everyone. 1, very nice. 2, काजल जी, राइट लेग को लेकर आइए आगे. राइट लेग को आगे लेकर आइए. 2, अपने हिप्स को दोनों को स्क्वायर करिए. 3, इधर, हाँ, नीचे प्रेस करिए. पेल्विस को अपने नीचे प्रेस करिए. दोनों हाथों को मिला के रखिए. 4, हाँ, प्रेस करिए और नीचे. एंड 5. Exhale, jump back, Chaturanga. Press your palms and go back into Chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Hold there for 5 counts. Take few breaths. Deep inhale, deep exhale. Now bend your both knees, jump front. Sorry, wait. We have to do the same with our left leg. Bring your left leg front for warrior A. Same warrior A from your left leg. Again, hold 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, jump back into Chaturanga Dandasana. Inhale, Urdhmukha. Exhale, downward facing dog, Adho. Deep inhale, deep exhale. Okay, now bend your both knees, jump front. Between your both palms into halfway look up. Exhale, go fully forward down. Inhale, all the way come up, Utkatasana. Here pose. Exhale, Samasthiti. Okay, now second round of concentration. Take an inhale again, bend your both knees, raise your both arms up. For Utkatasana. Keep in mind that you have to not cross the knees on your toes. So exhale, go fully forward down. Inhale, look front. Chatwari, exhale, jump back to Chaturanga. Pancha, inhale, Urdhmukha. Third, exhale, Adho Mukha. Sapta, bring your right leg front again for warrior A. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Exhale, go back to the Chaturanga Dandasana. Inhale, Urdhva Mukha Svanasana, and exhale, Adho Mukha Svanasana. Ekadasa, bring your left leg front for warrior A. Virabhadrasana. Hold 1, 2, 3, bend your left knee at 90, 4, and 5. Dwadasa, exhale, jump back, Chaturanga. Triyodasa, inhale, Urdhva Mukha. Chaturdasa, exhale, Adho Mukha. Deep inhale, deep exhale, move into downward facing dog for 5 counts. Gain your energy back. Now bend your both knees, jump from between your both palms for Ardha Uttanasana, halfway look up. Actually, you have to not come back direct. You have to come into Ardha Uttanasana first. Exhale, go fully forward down for Uttanasana. Inhale, all the way come up for Utkatasana, chair pose. Everybody come into chair pose, showing you are not coming into chair pose. And exhale, Samasthiti. Okay, now third round. Again start. Take an inhale, again bend your both knees, raise your arms up for Utkatasana. So exhale, go fully forward down for Uttanasana. Three, inhale, look up, lengthen your spine. Chaturanga, exhale, jump back, Chaturanga. Pancha, inhale, Urdhva Mukha. Set, exhale, Adho Mukha. Sapta, bring your right leg front for warrior A again. Then hold there, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ashto, exhale, jump back, Chaturanga. Nava, inhale, Urdhva Mukha. Dasa, exhale, Adho Mukha. Ekadasa, bring your left front for warrior A. Hold 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale, again, jump back to Chaturanga. Triyodasa, Urdhva Mukha. Chaturdasa, exhale, Adho Mukha. Come into downward facing dog. Let's look at your navel point for just a few seconds. Now bend your both knees, jump front. Between your both palms, lengthen your spine. Exhale, go fully forward down. Inhale, come up, Utkatasana, chair pose. Exhale, come back into Samasthiti. Now we go for the fourth round of sun salutation wheel. Take a inhale again, bend your both knees and raise your both arms up. Come for the Utkatasana. Do exhale, go fully forward down for the Uttanasana. Treni, inhale, look up, lengthen your spine. Chatwari, exhale, jump back, Chaturanga. Pancha, inhale, Urdhva Mukha. Sat, exhale, Adho Mukha. Now just relax, bend your knee, relax and child pose. No, relax, relax. Now we are changing. Now we do warrior B. So here how you have to do warrior B. Now we are doing warrior A. Now 2 sets, like in 4th and 5th set, we will do warrior B. So bring your left leg front, drop your left feet down, and then come back into warrior B. Again, simple, you have to do and on the right side. So left feet slightly side so that it looks at your right hand. Ashtagiri drishti. Your drishti should be Ashtagiri. You have to look at your hand. Do not square your hip or push your left hip towards the right side. Just keep your hip open. You have to open the left hip as much as you can. You have to rotate your left thigh, left side. And just do here for 5 counts. And then after jump back chaturanga. Okay. Okay, now bring your right leg front for warrior B. Everybody. Hold 1. Bend your right leg at 90. 2. Very nice. Look at your right hand. 3, 4, and 5. Exhale. Go back to the Chaturanga Dandasana. Inhale, Urdhmukha. Exhale, Adhomukha. Now bring your left leg front for warrior B. And hold 1, 2, very nice everyone. 3, 4, and 5. Exhale again, jump back, Chaturanga. Inhale, Urdhmukha. Exhale, downward facing dog, Adhomukha. Inhale, exhale. See, there is an audio problem because earpods, the earpods are not okay. So whenever earpods will come, the audio will be clear. Okay, so for 1, 2, 3 days, please adjust, right? And I'm really sorry that earpods are not working. So when earpods will come, you will hear properly. Okay. Stay in downward facing dog. Now bend your both knees, jump front into a Uttanasana. Exhale, go fully forward down for Uttanasana. Inhale, come up for Utkatasana. Exhale, Samasthiti. Okay, fifth and last round. Okay, come inhale again, bend your both knees, come into Utkatasana. Do exhale, go fully forward down. Really inhale, look front. Chatwari, exhale, jump back. Pancha, inhale, upward facing dog. That exhale, downward facing dog. Sapta, bring your right leg front for warrior B. Again, hold 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Asto, exhale, jump back, Chaturanga. Nava, inhale, Urdhmukha. Dasa, exhale, Adhomukha. Ekadasa, bring your left leg front for warrior B. This warrior B. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Dwadasa, exhale, jump back, Chaturanga. Triyodasa, inhale, Urdhmukha. Chaturdasa, exhale, come downward facing dog, Adhomukha, and just press there for 5 counts. Try to touch your heel. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now everybody come into plank pose. Plank pose, full plank. Exhale, come into Chaturanga Dandasana. Inhale, upward facing dog, and exhale, downward facing dog. Second round, again, come for the plank. Exhale, Chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing dog, and exhale, downward facing dog. Third, come into plank. Exhale, Chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Fourth round, again, come for the plank. Exhale, Chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing dog, and exhale, downward facing dog. Fifth round, come for the plank. Exhale, Uttamna. Inhale and exhale. Six down. Again, come to the plank. Exhale, Chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. 7, second last. Again, come for the plank. Exhale, Chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. 8 and last round. Now hold. Again, come to the plank and hold for 3 counts. 1, hold. 2 and 3. Exhale, hold there for 3 counts. 1, make Chaturanga. 2, 3. Inhale, upward facing dog. Hold. 1, 2, 3. Exhale, downward facing dog. Just bend your both knees, relax into child pose, rotate your wrist for a few seconds, rotate your shoulder. Or you can sit in Vajrasana as well. So, like, just listen. You have to just start whenever you are doing Ashtanga, you have to do 5 sun salutation A and 5 sun salutation of B. Okay, whenever you just start your Ashtanga series, first you have to just warm up yourself properly. So how you will warm up? You will do 5 sun salutation A because the sun salutation of Ashtanga is little bit hard. You will get the proper warm up. And after you will complete sun salutation A, you can go for sun salutation B. And after that, you can just continue with the series. So from tomorrow, we will add 2 asana more to our series, and we will continue. We will just start our series from tomorrow. Okay. If anyone wants to ask any question, you can just ask. You are just free to ask.
I have one small problem. Like no matter what asana I do, sometimes my hands are so shaky, hands and legs. It just means that I'm weak, but I've been practicing, sir, but still that I'm not able to progress, you know. Still my now I'm doing that chaturanga and all, my wrist is aching, and whenever I do Surya Namaskar, like I do the back bend and my hands are shaking, legs
So,
are shaking.
how long you are doing this yoga?
So at least from last 6 months, at least from last 6 months, but little bit irregular, sir. Not so regular, little bit irregular.
Okay, and you have done Ashtanga before?
Yes, sir.
Okay, from how long you are doing Ashtanga?
Ashtanga, like in our school, I did. Later at home, I tried to practice just because I'm not able to get into the proper pose. Like I'm still a beginner, so sometimes I lose interest.
So that's the problem. See, if you will not continue or you will like keep your practice continue, you will just have the same problem. The shivering problem, it happens with everyone. Even when I have started, I also like shiver so much more. I used to have pain on my wrist, but when I continue my practice, I do not feel pain so much now.
Okay.
Okay, so the continuity is the key to
Okay, sir.
practice.
Okay.
Okay, anyone else want to ask any question? Okay, so just lay down on your back for a few seconds on your mat in Shavasana so your body can calm down. Relax your body. Okay, just relax yourself. Relax your whole body. Now just come in any comfortable position, sit in any comfortable position. Keep your eyes closed. Keep your both palms on your knees in Jnana or Chin Mudra. Take a deep inhale and deep exhale. Now we'll chant one time Om followed by 3 Shanti and we will finish our class. Take a deep inhale. Om. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Now join your both palms together in front of your heart. And slowly bow down your head towards God. And thanks God for giving us strength for today's class. Gently open your eyes while blinking with a smile. Namaste to all. So,
Thank you, sir, for today's class.
yes.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, welcome. Take care, guys. See you tomorrow, everyone.
Thank you.
Welcome.